Dear friends, let us prepare for the RIMC and Sainik School General Awareness questions. Here we go. Before you start on writing the answer for the quiz, I request all of you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Coimbatore Defense Academy. Thank you. Let us proceed to the quiz. Every year, on a certain day, we celebrate the Veteran Day. When is this day celebrated? In the month of January. Come February, we remember some of the heroes. One such hero was Dr. Sir C.V. Raman. What did he discover for which he was awarded a Nobel Prize? It is said, beware of 8th of March. Why is this day important? Who coined this? To know, let us take on the quiz. Thank you. Sometimes we do celebrate April Fool's Day on a certain day in April. Why? Just find out more. Search the Google, you will know the reason. The question is, why is May Day celebrated? In whose memory or for what event is this day celebrated? Answer the questions within 5 seconds. Thank you. It is important that we pay homage to the Mother Nature. When is the World Environment Day celebrated? Dear friends, Defense Academy Coimbatore is committed to train aspirants for the Rashtriya Indian Military College Dehradun, Rashtriya Military Schools and All India Sainik Schools. Get benefited by online coaching from ex-defense officer. Kargil War is remembered for a very valor and bravery of Indian soldiers. How many war heroes got BBC during this war? Well, if you are born between certain dates, July and end of August, you are considered to be a Leo, a leader in by birth. When does this day end in August? September was actually the 7th month of the year. Are you aware of this? When and for whom this month is taken from? Where? Is it Roman, Shaka, Greek or Egyptian? Answer it in 10 seconds. Thank you. Many of us think October is a month which brings in joy and a lot of festivals. When was Lal Bahadur Shastri born? Indian Navy plays a very important role in the safeguarding the ocean around India. When is the Indian Naval Day celebrated? Sometimes you may be surprised to know that one of the continents celebrates Christmas in summer. Maybe I know in which continent do they celebrate it. Well done. Now your time to check out the answers. Remember, 80% is the correct answer and we wish you all the best. Thank you. Defense Academy is committed to offer online, offline and residential coaching. Why not call us and find out when and where we charge, what we charge for this training.